In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to multiply with big numbers. Multiplication with mixed numbers. So the first one I'm going to teach you is when you have two mixed numbers multiplied together. So you have something like this. So this one, the first step when you see something like this, a mixed number times a mixed number, you have to turn each into a fraction. So how do you do it? You multiply 3 times 2 and you add 1. So 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7, and you keep the 3 on the denominator. Now you multiply. So the 5 stays here, and then you do 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17. Now you cross multiply 5 times 3, 15, and then 7 times 17, that will be 17 times 7, that will be 7 times 7, 49, carry 4, 7 times 1, 7 plus 4, that will be 11, 119. Can you, now the way you do is you turn this one into a mixed number, but let's see if we can simplify first. Is 119 divisible by 3? Let's see. 3 times 3, 9, 11 minus 9, 2, bring down the 9. Is there a number multiply that gives me 29? Let's see, no. So it's not divisible. So now what we have to do is, to leave a simplified answer, we need to turn this 119 into a mixed number. Okay, so how many times does 15? So okay, so the mixed number is gonna be like as follows. You have the 15, and we need to multiply and add to get 119. So let's try 15 times 2 is 30. So and 6, 7. So let's try 7. 15 times 7. Let's see, 7 times 5. 35, 33, 7 times 1, 115. Actually, 105. Okay, so I think that's the highest you can go. So let's put let's put 7, so 105, 15 times 7, 105, and to get 19, that will be 14. So that will be our final answer. Okay. Let's try one more. So let's do 2 and 1/2 times 4 and 1/2. Okay, so same thing. 2 on the denominator, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5 times 2 on the denominator, 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. multiply 4 on the bottom, 5 times 9, 45. Is 45 divisible by 2? No. So let's turn it into a mixed number. So how many times? Okay, so it will be 4. How many times does 4 goes into 45? That would be 11 times 4 is 44. So let's put 11. 11 times 4, 44. And add 1. Because 11 times 4, 44 plus 1, 45. So that's the final answer. And you can check. 11 times 4, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 1, 4. Add 1, 45. So 45 and then the 4, which matches here. Okay. Now we're gonna do this one. We're gonna multiply an integer times a mixed number. Okay, when you do the same process, mixed numbers, turn them into fractions. So it'll be 3 times 2, and then 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. If you don't see if you have an integer, put a 1 underneath and then cross multiply. 3 times 5, 15. 1 times 2, 2. Any simplification here? No. So we turn it into mixed number because numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, so now how many times does 2 goes into 15? 7 times. So we put 2 times 7 and 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 15 over 2, which is this. Let's do one more. 5 times 2 and 2/3. Okay, same thing. 3 on the bottom, 1 here. 2 times 3, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Cross multiply. Multiply across. So it'll be 5 times 8. 40 over 3. Okay, can you simplify? No. So we turn the numerator bigger than the denominator, we turn it into a mixed number. 3, how many times does 3 goes into 40? Let's see, 3 times 15, that would be 45. So let's do 3 times 10 is 30. So let's see, let's try to do 3 times 12 is 36. Let's see, 13 times 3, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 1, 3, 39. So let's do 13 and 1, because 3 times 13, 39 plus 1, 40. Final answer. And the last case that I want to show you is when you have a fraction times a mixed number. Like I said, mixed numbers turned into fractions. So it will be 1/2 times 2, 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Multiply across, 1 times 5, 5, 2 times 2, 4. Can you do any simplification here? No. So numerator bigger than denominator, turn it into a mixed number. Put a 4, how many times does 4 goes into 5? 1 time. 4 times 1, 4. Put a 1 here, because 4 times 1, 4 plus 1, 5. which matches this 5/4. So this is final answer. Let's do one last problem. That would be 3/2 times 2 and 1/4. And 1/4, okay. So 3/2 times 4 on the bottom, 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 3 times 9, 27, 2 times 4, 8. Any simplification? No. Numerator bigger than denominator? Yes. We turn it into a mixed number. So 8 here, how many times does 8 into 27? 3 times, because 8 times 3, 24. And to get to 27, we need to add a number, so 8 times 3, 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, put a 3. 8 times 3, 24, plus 3, 27, so we got the right answer, which is 27 array, and this is the mixed number format. So we look at mixed number times mixed number, integer whole number times mixed number, and then fraction times mixed number. So 3 different cases. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.